how concerned are we about these pods, for
Yeah.
example?
So again, there was a paper that came out, I think it was in 2021. It actually claimed that it was like 67% of PVA from pods doesn't break down in the environment. And again, sounds very concerning. So we step in, read the paper, and the paper actually doesn't measure any PVA. What it does is it uses computer modeling.
Mm-hmm.
So it says, okay, we have a algorithm we can use to, if we put in our assumptions and we say, okay, we assume this much of PVA is going into a water system, we assume these different conditions, what is the prediction on what will come out the other end? This is actually something that's very commonly used because computers are very, very helpful. They can look at a lot of things all at once that it just is not feasible for people to do.
Mm-hmm.
But two things. One, data coming out is only as good as the data going in.
Yep.
We refer to that as garbage in, garbage out.
Yep.
And then additionally, a lot of times what people will do is they'll say, well, the computer predicts this outcome. Let's test it and see if that outcome actually occurs. That second step, that validation, wasn't in the paper. So it just said the computer predicts this.
And the paper was saying that these PVAs are, you said
that
60s?
It just is not going to break down in the environment.
Okay, got it. Got it.
And so, well, that's something that can be measured. We can go to wastewater treatment plants. We can design experiments to test that exact question. And believe it or not, that had already happened. And so what we found, if you look at what we refer to as like a weight of evidence approach, which is a way where you say, okay, give me all of the information available on a topic. And then I'm going to put that into tiers based on, is it relevant? Are they using appropriate doses? Are they using appropriate models? Right. So that way different studies get slightly different weight depending on how well they were done. And then you look at all that information and you say, okay, well, the overwhelming weight of this evidence says this nuanced conclusion. And so when you do that, we actually see that, yes, it does break down. The overwhelming amount of evidence in the literature shows that when it enters a wastewater treatment plant, it being polyvinyl alcohol or PVA, and that plant has seen PVA in the past, what it does is the ecosystem of microbes that live in that plant have been selected to gobble up the PVA. And so within a very short amount of time, it is broken down and not an issue.
Nothing burger.
Yep.
Wow. Wow, because that article got picked up and was causing all kinds of problems.
The amount of questions I've had to answer on that article over the last few years has been quite large.